Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you guys? Are you fine? I'm Jana Ahmed Sadiq and today's model is maths. Now the first question it says, which one of the following is not equal to 12 over 5? If you divide 36 over 15, it will be, if you divide here, 36 over 15, it will be 12 over 5, right? It will be 12 over 5. And if you divide here 5 times 2, it will be 10. 10 plus 2, it will be 12. So that means 12 over 5. So it's equal also to 12 over 5. But here what we have, 40 over 25. 40 over 25 is not equal to 12 over 5. It will be equal to 8 over 5. So B is the correct answer, which is not equal to 12 over 5. Now question number 2, it says, which one of the following rational numbers is the smallest? It will be -1 over 3. Now question number 3, the sum of two rational numbers is 4. If one of the numbers is 2 over 3, then the other number is what? Here the sum of two rational numbers, that means x plus x is equal to 4. Right? Then we have 2 over 3. That means one of the x here is 2 over 3. So 2 over 3 plus x is equal to 4. Then 2 over 3 plus x is equal to 4. Then we'll shift 2 over 3 to 4. So that means x is equal to 4 negative 2 over 3. Right? Then here divide by 3, or divide by 1 first of all, divide by 1, then times 3 times by 3, because we need to be the same denominator. So that means 4 times 3, it will be 12. 12 minus 2 over 3. So that means it will be 10 over 3. And this is the correct answer for this question. So that means choice A, which have 10 over 3, is the correct one. Okay, now in question number 4 it says here 2 times 1, 2. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So that means 3 over 2 times -6 plus 2 over 3 is equal to -8. Okay, in question number 5 it says the solution set of the equation, which is 2 times 2 minus 3x is equal to -2 times x minus 3 is what? Okay, let's solve it together. Two minus 3x is equal to -2, then -2 times x minus 3. Now first of all we will times 2, which is outside the bracket, with the numbers which is inside the bracket. 2 times 2 and 2 times -3. And here what we have, -2 times x and -2 times -3. That means here it will be 4 -6x is equal to -2, and here what we have, -2x plus 6. 4 minus 6x is equal to -2, and here -2x plus 6. Then 4 plus 2 minus 6 is equal to negative 2x plus 6x. Now what we will do, 4 plus 2 minus 6, so that means it will be 6 minus 6, which is 0. And here what we have, negative 2x and plus 6x, it will be 4x. Then the last answer, x will be equal to 0. So the correct answer for this question is choice D. Okay, now here in this question the cost of one pen and 3 exercise book is 82 per. If the pen cost is 16 per less than the exercise book, then the price of the pen is what? Here we have 6.5 per, 8.5 per, or 7 per, or 9.5 per. First of all, he said one pen, so that means here it will be P, and here 3 exercise, which means P plus 3 E is equal to 82. And then what we have here is the pen cost is 16 per less than the exercise book, then the price of the pen is what? It will be 8.5. Okay, here in question number 7 says the solution set of 3 minus 3x less than 2x minus 3 it is equal to what? Here 3 minus x less than 2x minus 3. 3 minus x and 2x minus 3. We'll shift x with x, so that means negative x is negative 2x. Then here what we have, negative 3. And we here have also negative 3. So it will be negative 3x. And here we will have negative 6. Then divide both sides by negative 3. Cut negative 3 by negative 3. And here cut negative by negative. Then here 3 by 1 and here by 2. So that means here the sign will change. Why? Because we divide both sides by negative numbers. So when you divide this equation by a negative number, you will change the sign from less than to greater than, or from greater than to less than. But here we have already less than, so that means it will be greater than. X greater than 2, which means A is the correct answer for this question. Now question number 8 says if the total number of the students in a school is 1995 and the ratio of the male to female students is 4:3, then the number of female students is what? It will be 855. Now question number 9, when 12 is subtracted from a number, the result is 20% of the number. What is the number? Twelve minus x is equal to 20%. That means 12 minus x is equal to 20 over 100. Then when you will multiply 8 and divide 8, you will find 15. It will be the answer. Now question number 10 says a paper bought a cycle for bear 6,250 and sold for 20% profit. How much the cycle is sold for? Okay, let's solve it together here. Now here what we have for cost price. Cost price we have 6,250 and profit percent we have 20%. How much is the cycle sold for? So that means sold price is equal to what? Okay, here profit percent is equal to what? Cost price minus sold price over cost price, right, times 100. So that means when you place the numbers in place of their symbols, then crisscross, you will find the answer for this question, which it will be B. The choice B, 7,500 bear. Okay, now to the next page. Here it says the tally chart shown below represents the preference of hot drink in some meeting. Okay, now here it says which one of the following is not true. 21 participants preferred tea, 12 participants preferred coffee, 20 participants preferred milk, or 15 participants preferred macchiato. Now, first of all, tea, here how many numbers? It says 21. Okay, let's check if it is 21 participants or not. Here 5, 5, 5, 5. So that means it is 21, right? With 1. Here 5, 10, 15, 20. Here 1. So that means 21. Okay, that means T is correct. Now in cafe, we have 5, 5, and 2. So that means 12. It's correct also. Okay, in milk we have, it says 20. Here 5, 5, 10, 5, 5, 10. So 10 with 10, it will be 20. So that means it's correct also. Milk is also correct. Now what we have here, macchiato, which is 5, 5, 5. It will be 15, 15 plus 3, 18. So that means macchiato is 18 participants, not 15. So the one which is not true is choice D. Now in question number 12 it says the pie chart below represents the number of students in each grade for some second cycle primary school. Grade 5 is 106 degree, grade 7 is 90 degree, 60 degree for grade 6, and 102 degree for grade 8. Then if the total number of the students is 3000, which one of the following is not true? Of course, by the degree you will make it divided and multiply, then you will find the answers for each one, which is for grade 6 yes is correct 500, for grade 7 yes is correct 750, for grade 8 yes is correct 850, but for choice A, which is grade 5 students, is 1200. No, it's not correct. Okay, now let's go for the next page. Question number 13. Meron took maths, physics, biology, English, civics, social studies, and chemistry exams and got score 68, 71, 84, 53, 62, 67, 71. What was Meron's median score? 53 or 68 or 62 or 71. Here median means to arrange the numbers that you have in the data, arrange it ascending or descending, whatever you want, ascending or descending. But the middle one, you will take it as the answer. So that means here Mary's median score, it will be 68. After arranging these numbers together, you will find that 68 is in the middle alone. So the correct answer for question number 13 is C. Which one of the following this quadrilaterals has exactly one pair of opposite sides parallel sides? It will be trapezium. The answer it will be trapezium. Okay, in question number 15, which one of the following is not true? Square is a rhombus, square is a rectangle, parallelogram is a trapezium, rectangle is a parallelogram. The answer it will be the one which is not true. Parallelogram is a trapezium. Okay, in question number 16, the measure of each interior angle of an n-sided regular polygon is 135 degrees. What is n? Of course, I think you know the formula of like each interior angle for regular polygon, right? Which is n minus 2 over 2, over n. Wait. N minus 2 times 180 and here over n. Then is equal to the s-sided, which is we have what? 135. Right? Then 180 times n and times 2, then crisscross together, it will be 180n minus 360 is equal to 135 degree times n, it will be 135 degree n. Then shift it, it will be 180 n minus 135 n is equal to 360. Then the difference between 180 and 135, it will be 45 n, which is equal to 360. Then divide both sides by 45. Then what we will find? The answer it will be 8. Here by 1 and here by 8. So n is equal to 8. That means choice C have 8. Now question number 17. A circular field of land is fenced by fencing material of length 100 meter. What is the area of the field? It will be 2500 meters squared over pi. Okay, now let's go for the second page. Question number 38. It says Almaz has 5-inch wide book. She drew a horizontal line on the cover of the book. The length of the diagonal line on the book is 13 inch. What is the length of the book? Make it subtracting only. 13 inch minus 5 inch will give us 8 inch. So the correct answer for question number 38, it will be choice B, which have 8 inch. Now in question number 39, it says in the figure below, which one of the following is not true? Here it should be radical 2 radical 5. 2 radical 5. Okay, now it says which one is not true. When we say it is not true, that means that all of the choices are correct except one. Okay, let's see choice C, which is tan theta is equal to 3 over 2, right? Okay, so that means it will be theta is equal to 4 over 2 radical 5, here by 1 and here by 2, so that means it's equal to 2 over radical 5. But here what we have 3 over 2, so C is not correct. Okay, now question number 40. Which one of the following is not true about a right triangle pyramid? We have all the lateral faces are congruent, the base is equilateral triangle, or the height of the pyramid and slant heights are equal in length, or all the lateral edges are equal in length. The answer it will be C. The height of the pyramid and slant heights are equal in length. Okay, now let's go for the next page. In this page what we have, in the figure below, the measure of the arc ABC is 240 degree. Find the value of x, which is 30 degree, 120 degree, 60 degree, and 150 degree. Now here he said ABC is 240 degree. ABC is 240 degree, right? Okay, 240 degree divided by 2, it will be 120, right? In place of D. Now x plus D is equal to 180. That means x plus 120 is equal to 180. Then x is equal to 180 minus 120. Then x is equal to what? 60 degree, which is in choice B, 60 degree. Okay, now let's go for the second question. Second question, it says that probability is what? The number of successful outcome divided by the total number of possible outcome. Yes, is the correct answer. Okay, in question number 36, it says what is the probability of selecting A from the collection of letters A, B, A, Q, C? How many times we have A? Only 2, right? A, B, A, which is A and A, 2 times we have only. Then all of the letters together, the number is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will be 5 letters together, right? So that means 2 over 5. The answer it will be choice B, 2 over 5. Okay, in question number 37, in the figure below, the angle of ACB and the angle of ADC are right angles. Then which one of the following is not true? CD squared is equal to BD squared times AD squared, or AC squared is equal to AB, or AB times AD, or BC squared is equal to BD times AB, or AB squared is equal to AC times BC. The answer to be the last one, which is AB squared, A B squared is equal to AC times BC. This one is not correct. Okay, now let's go for the next page. Here we will use, first of all, here we have 8, right? Okay, so that means from the distance from here to here, it will be 2. Then what we will make here, the formula, we will use P1 plus P2 over 2 times h plus ab. So when you place the numbers in place of their variables or in the symbols, you will get the answer choice B, which is 61. Okay, here in question number 19, which one of the following numbers is not perfect square? 1 times 1, 1. 0 times 0, 0. 4, 2 times 2, 4. So C, B, and D are square numbers, are perfect square numbers. But negative 4, it can be, because perfect square can't and never will be negative. It doesn't have negative. So choice A is the number which is not perfect square. Okay, in question number 20, if t is equal to radical 7, then the simplified form of radical 2 times radical 18 minus 56 is what? When you will make it perfect and non-perfect, you will find radical 7. When you will find radical 7, make it in place of t, so that means 6 minus 4 times t, which was radical 7. So the answer for question number 20 is A. Now question number 21, the value of 16 over 54 is what? Here 16, it should be 4 times 4, right? 4 times 4, that means 2, and here we have also 2 and 2. Okay, that means if we times 2 4 times, we will get 16, and if we times 3 4 times, we will get 54. So that means here it should be 4, not 3. Then you will get the choice 2 over 3, the correct answer. Now in question number 22, the simplified form of negative 3x squared y plus x plus 2 plus x times 3xy plus 3. First of all, you will times negative 3 by x squared and y, then negative 3 times x, then negative 3 times 2. Then here what we have, x times 3xy, then x times 3. Then after you will multiply it, collect the like terms together, then you will find the answer which it will be D, choice D, which is negative 6. Okay, now let's go for the next page. Here it says 2xy minus y squared times x plus xy. Which one is not equal to this equation? Okay, here A is equal to this equation. A, B, C are equal to this equation. But I mean C is not correct. D is correct also. C is not correct because it says x squared y times 2 minus y plus 2xy minus y squared will give us this equation. Try it and you will not get it. So that means the answer it will be C. Now question number 34. The highest common factor of 36 x cubed plus x squared and 64 x squared times x plus 1 squared is what? It will be 4 x cubed plus x squared, because here if you make 3x and here x cubed, here x cubed, then we have plus x squared, then what we have here in the other side, 64 x squared. here x plus 1, squared. Then the answer here, what it will be? 4x squared then x plus 1. Then the answer here, it will be 4 times x cubed plus x squared. So that means choice A is the correct answer for this question. Let's have 4 times x cubed plus x squared. Okay, now question number 25. Adding 4 to a number gives the same result as subtracting 5 from 3 times the number. What is the number? Here adding 4 to a number, that means 4 plus x gives the same result, which is equal to 5. 5 minus 3x. Then what it will be the number? It will be 4.5. So that means choice B. Now question number 26. The solution set of the equation 7 minus 3 times 2x plus 1 is equal to x minus 5 over 2. Here, if you multiply negative 3 by 2x and negative 3 by positive 1, then collect the like terms together, then crisscross with x minus 5 over 2. We will make a crisscross, then collect the like terms together again, then you will find the choice C, which is 1. Okay, in question number 27. It says, which one of the following inequalities is not equal to 2x minus 1 less than 4? Which one is not equal to this question? It will be D, 2 bracket of x plus 1 less than 4. Why? Because 2 times x will be 2x, okay, but 2 times 1 it will be 2. Here it's 1 less than 4. So D is not equal to 2x minus 1 less than 4. Okay, which one of the following points is in the third quadrant? Third quadrant is negative negative. Why? Because here we have the first, here second, here third, and here fourth. Here we have only positive positive, here negative positive, here negative negative, and here positive negative. And he said in third quadrant what we have? Negative negative, negative negative. So the correct answer for question number 28 is negative 2 and negative 1, which shows A. Okay, now in question number 29 it says, which one of the following pair of figures may not be similar? Two triangles with corresponding sides are proportional, or two triangles with corresponding angles are equal, or any two rectangles or any two circles. Okay, A, B and D are correct, but the one which is not be similar, it will be C, that not any two rectangles will be similar. So the answer for question number 29 is C, which is not be similar, which is choice C. Okay, now in question number 30 it says a triangle has sides measuring 4 cm, 6 cm, 6 cm. A similar triangle has corresponding sides measuring x, which is x centimeter, and 4 cm and 4 cm. Then x it will be equal to what? Okay, first of all, multiply 4 centimeter by 6 centimeter by 6 centimeters, then we get the answer. Then in another side, you will multiply x times 4 centimeter times 4 centimeters, then you will get the answer, which it will be 16x. Then when you will have 16x times 4 times 6 times 6, then divide both sides by the number which will be with x. Then you will find 8/3. So that means the correct answer for question number 30, it will be choice B. Okay, now in question number 31, Aile is 1.5 meter tall. His shadow is 2 meter. A 4.5 meter tree between the sun and Aile made a shadow where the two shadows end at the same point as shown in the figure. What is the distance between Aile and the tree? So we need to find the distance between Aile and tree, right? First of all, we will place the diagram by ABC. Like for example, here it will be A. Okay. And here it will be B. Here it will be C. Here it will be D. And here it will be E. Then what we'll make here, A, B, C, similar to D, E, C, right? So that means AB over DC, which is equal to BC over EC, then is equal to AC over DC. Then we will choose this two. AB over DC is equal to BC over EC. AB, which is 4.5 meter, right? .5 meter over what? DC I mean DE. Here it will be DE, which is 1.5 is equal to BC, that we don't know, we'll make it X, over EC, which is 2. Then make it crisscross. After making it crisscross, and you will find the answer, it will be 4 meters. So that means the correct answer for question number 31 is choice B, which is 4 meters. Now question number 32, which one of the following is not true concerning the circle with center at O, as shown in the figure below? The arc of AB is a chord of the circle, or the angle or triangle AOB is a sector of the circle, or choice C, which is OB is a radius of the circle, or choice D, which is the shared region, is a segment of the circle. The answer which is not true for this question, it will be the choice B, which is the triangle of AOB is a sector of the circle. This one is not correct. Okay, now question number 33 says what? In the figure below, O is the center of the circle. That means M, the angle of AEB is equal to 45 degree, and the measure of angle AOB is equal to 60 degree, then which one of the following is not true? Which one of the following that it will not be true? That CBD it will be 30 degree? No. Here it will not be 30 degree. So choice D is not correct for question number 33. Okay, so that was all the questions of this model. Inshallah, in the next coming videos we are gonna to make more videos that you will benefit from it, and you will solve, and we will solve together the model. So thank you for watching and thank you for listening. Goodbye.